Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mubashir and this video is regarding installing of Xcode. So I thought not to make this video, but let it be. I'll be showing you how to install the Xcode. So this is my screen and here is the App Store, and if you want you can directly open App Store in this way also. And here in the search bar let's type Xcode. And here you got this application which is Xcode, which is built by Apple, and here you will be getting a button called install. I have already installed it, so it's showing me open. Here it will be showing install. Click on that install. It will show you a pop-up asking for your Mac password. You need to give your Mac password and that's all. It will start to install. But the big thing here is this application alone is of I think 11 or 12 GB. So you need a good internet connection. You need to have space or storage in your MacBook. And I think in the future when more updates come, I think the size of the software can also increase. So at least 12 GB you need just for installing this software. Okay, so make sure you have good internet connection and more storage in your Mac machine to install this software. Now when you install this software, when you click on this Xcode, I will be showing you the interface in this video itself. So this is what the interface will look like. I have made several apps, that's why I'm getting this list, but you won't be getting any list here. Now if here this show this window when Xcode launches is unchecked, what you can do is you can directly click on this file and you can like new and project. This is also the way to create a new project. So that's all for this video. I will meet you in the next video and we'll be talking about the Swift language. Until then, keep learning. Bye bye.